Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Ben Carson, illustrious neurosurgeon, President of the United States, candidate. And I would like to welcome you to another episode of Bodega Boys. I know you're saying to yourself, wow, that's a lot of Ben Carson. That's what Candy said. Well, I'm not here for the jokes. Anyway, let me explain something to you. You in your life of living have never gazed upon the cerebellum and said, I got this? No, you have not. So you are not qualified to make decisions like me. Listen, the opinions that these two minority fellows express may not be those of Red Bull Studios. Red Bull got niggas jumping off of satellites. Shit is crazy, fam. Anyway, for legal reasons, this is a legal disclaimer. You know the rest. Follow these two gentlemen at Desus Nice, at the Kid Mero, and follow me at Real Ben Carson. It's poppin'. I know you niggas saw me flaming y'all at the debate last night. It's slow for you, Trump. If I see you in the street, ooh, Candy, talk to him.
For the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Do the drop, motherfucker. Bodega Boys, bitch.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Bodega Boys is in the building.
Yo!
Back to back, 2 episodes in 1 week. It's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Mr. 1994, aka Nelson Mandela, aka why am I yelling?
It's hot. It's big energy, though.
Big energy.
I got the big side.
Big energy. I'm like Elephant Man. I'm about to lift a 350-pound woman in there and just hump on her. Oh man.
Oh shit, yo, that's right. And this is the Kid Mero, aka the Human Do-Rag Flap, aka I jump off satellite, do a backflip, land in your bitch,
Hey man.
aka Kavgati.
And listen, we promised you 2 episodes in 1 week, and guess what? Guys from the Bronx do not lie.
That's right.
So here is your second episode. And before we start, quick shout out to everyone who's playing the Desus and Mero Bodega Boys drinking game.
Mm-hmm.
Take a shot every time we say it's lit or shout outs. Mm-hmm. You'll probably be dead of alcohol poisoning by the end of this, but
But it's all good because we have that on the disclaimer. So
it's on the disclaimer. We have a neurologist on the disclaimer. Shout out to Ben Carson, keeping it real, keeping it brazy.
This keeps like a wild.
Ben Barson.
Ben Barson.
A lot happened this week. I thought we weren't going to have anything to talk about, but yesterday was crazy. The internet's is el fuego. Whoa, man, there's so much going on.
Fucking bonanza, man.
There's so much going on.
It's funny, you were like, yo, did you get the email? And I'm so smacked that I was like, yeah, I did, but wait, hold on. Yo, listen, man. Bodega Boys, we're back.
Bodega Boys.
We're here. A lot of shit is happening on the internet, man.
On the internet,
So
where the
much
millennials be at.
So that's what. Listen, we're millennials. We're out here. You know what I'm saying?
All right,
Don't try to front on us.
I grew up watching iCarly.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay.
I know all Backstreet Boys songs.
These gray hairs are genetic. Neither of us are suffering from sciatica. Oh, man.
Shout out to my fucking lower back. I just ate some Canadian painkillers, dog. I hope they don't kill me.
If he dies, he dies. You
know what I'm saying?
All right.
The pills are from Serbia.
We're going to have a replacement for him.
Yo, speaking of replacements, I like how we've been doing this thing where we say speaking of something that has nothing to do with the thing that we're going to talk about.
That's our trademark.
That's what we out here.
What
You know what I'm
Bodega
saying?
is about.
Yo,
okay.
the most touching story of them all.
Oh.
The Zola story.
The Zola story. Wow. There was a lot going on there with that Zola story. First of all, Shorty was she on Adderall? She was just live tweeting for like 2 hours straight.
Damn, how you fire off like 100 tweets in a row?
How do you tell a story in 140 character breaks? Like, that is ridiculous. That was ridiculous. And they had like plot lines, plot twists, character development, locations.
Yo, was there emojis in there? She was illustrated?
Now, listen, for those of you who don't know, and I don't understand how you don't know, the Zola story was a story that was tweeted out by that young lady. What's her name?
Zola.
Zola. Hence the name, the Zola story. It was an epic story, just a very, very touching piece of niggliterature.
Niggliterature!
Okay? If you were before Twitter, this was coldest winter ever.
Yo, seriously. Yo, can we take a moment to acknowledge that this is what is it called? Urban fiction?
This is urban fiction.
This is from 50 Cent's publishing company, dog.
This is what you would get from the Africans on the book table on
You know what I'm
59th
saying?
Street. Okay? And it just had like, be more careful for. Okay? And it had full of quotes like, nigga lost in the sauce and his bitch lost in the game.
Oh,
Or,
man.
pussy is worth thousands.
You can't read. You don't see that on the back of a fucking book jacket on a paperback.
So we vibing over our hoism or whatever. Wow. Don't leave me, Zola. It's 4 guys. But you know what? I would just like to say, because we're innovators here, we're trendsetters. Trendsetters. Me, myself, personally, Desus Nice, a.k.a. Richard Wrong, I had penned a classic piece of niggliterature a couple years ago
right.
with my compatriots, Steph
right.
B. Moore and Coco Puff, a little epic novel called Dick to Bomb.
Can I do it in dramatic voice?
Do the dramatic voice.
Dick to bomb.
Okay. You guys forgot Dick to Bomb?
Come on.
Do I have to read a quick passage?
Look, this is what happens with us, dog. We do individually and together. We do things and we just fucking set trends out here. Y'all niggas, come on, man. Y'all gotta pay homage. Listen, if you're listening to this right now, get your prayer rug out and, you know what I'm saying, put your head on the floor and thank us. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Here, remember,
Welcome.
just to jog your memory, here's page 2 of Dick to Bomb, as read by Desus Nice.
Oh, man.
Little Malik's crying in the other room threatened to disrupt the powerful pussy pounding that was taking place in apartment 5C. Already an hour late for her shift at the cosmetics department, Keisha bit down harder on D. Montavious do-rag strings as he beat it up from behind. Fueled by Henny, Black and Milds, and several years of unemployment, he took his frustrations out using his mushroom-shaped cock. This mine, he yelled over the Waka Flocka mixtape playing off of Keisha's iPhone 5C. Yes, she grunted. This pussy mine, Devontavious yelled again, not as a question, but as a statement. It's my pussy. Keisha struggled to answer, but only a mumble of nonsense came out of her mouth as she hit the bottom. Her leg thrashed around violently, causing the good puss tattoo she had over her C-section scars to ripple like a pool at a Miami white party. Put your hand on your stomach so it doesn't hurt, DeMontavious snarled while shifting positions, temporarily blocking Family Feud on the TV behind them. Suddenly, the intercom buzzed. Keisha opened the fucking door. Unknown to Keisha, her ex-boyfriend and former drug-running partner, Tyrone, had recently been released from Kaksaki, and he was back looking for everything that had ever been his.
You ready to die for this pussy?
How good was that? How good was that? That was Empire before Empire. Thank you. Thank you for the applause, okay? We're going to finish this.
That's strong.
I am motivated by Zola.
That's strong. If you don't got a $500,000 publishing offer on the table tomorrow, then America is fucking ridiculous.
Listen, we're out here casting. You know, this is a classic piece of niggliterature. Okay, that's what I want a Northland's anthology of niggliterature, and I want to be in it. Okay.
Niggas are so influential. We're gonna have a niggliterature section in Barnes and Noble next week.
We are. I'm gonna be on NPR talking about niggliterature.
Yo.
But if you had to cast people in the Zola story, I feel like Azalea Banks could be Zola.
Yeah, Azalea Banks could be Zola. Who's Jared is definitely like the dude from Breaking Bad.
Which one?
Captain Cook.
Captain
Jesse.
Okay.
Jesse from Breaking Bad.
Okay.
Who's Z? Z is either Ving
Gucci
Rhames. Oh, Gucci Man is Z. Whoa.
I'm thinking.
Listen, that's a make or break right there for Gucci Man.
I feel like
that could launch his career.
I feel like that.
You know what I'm saying?
Either him or Clifton Powell,
Oh man,
the great established, the
That's
man.
right.
Didn't he kick someone down the steps? In,
he definitely
Dead
did.
Prez?
Brittany Murphy could be Jess.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Kathy Bates is Jess' mom.
Victor's like, yo, Brittany Murphy's dead. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Since what? Because she's dead, she can't be in a movie.
She could be in a movie.
We'll do it green screen.
We can CGI this shit.
We'll do it. Don't worry. It'll be fine.
Contact her estate.
Oh, man.
Damn.
Oh.
Too soon?
So shout out to Zola. Empire's going to totally steal this.
Oh, you already know.
It's already going to be stolen.
But it's going to, since Lee Daniels is doing it, it's going to be at least 6 dudes kissing.
Oh, just not,
You know what I'm saying?
unnecessarily.
Totally unnecessary.
Guy comes to check the power meter and just starts making out.
Starts making out.
Not even practical gay sex. Just gay sex. A lot of gay sex.
Lucia's like,
oh, niggas have gay sex. Gay sex.
why are you trying to touch my penis? You came to read the meters. I'm Terrence Howard.
I have ALS.
Cookie.
Oh man.
No son of mine is gonna suck a dick. That's such a wild, it's such a wild TV show, dog. Wow.
Oh, shout out to Empire. Terrible show. And that's why everyone loved this Zola thing, because people want this cheap popcorn stuff like Empire.
Yo, at any point did you read that shit and like think to yourself like, now this is bullshit?
No, for the whole thing. The whole thing is
thing
bullshit.
you're like, yo, this shit's bullshit.
The math is off.
Yeah.
Like
listen, the hotel room shit with the how much money, and it's like, yo, I put an ad on Backpage, and 5 minutes later, that's realistic because
that's realistic because we are the champions of Backpage. We are the gurus of Backpage. We know everything there is about online prostitution, and we know when you put up that Backpage ad, then you get an email, and the email is like, "Yo, don't delete this email because this controls your Backpage ad." Okay, y'all didn't know about the sort of nuances of online prostitution. So when I saw that, I was like, "Okay." Also, and otherwise, I was like, "Why did they do Backpage and not Craigslist?" Because Craigslist has more reach.
That's true.
But you know what? Hey, listen, hoes don't know SEO.
Low-coded language on Craigslist goes a long way, dog. You know what I'm saying? 150 roses.
150 roses.
You know what I'm saying?
And then she was like, pussy is worth thousands. It's like, well, if your pussy's on Backpage, I don't know, ma. I don't know. Guys who pay $1,000 for pussy are not pulling that shit up on the desktop.
Think about it like the back page of a magazine. When you go to a magazine, what's on the back page? The worst shit. The fake chains, the horse dick pills. You know what I'm saying?
What's on the back page of Jet? Just a listing of like the 6 black people who are on TV shows that week. So, you know.
So shout out to Jet.
That's it. But yeah, the Zola story. Zola, the L is for lies. But it's entertaining lies.
It's true.
We are all about tweets better than facts. We don't need facts.
We don't need facts.
We really need facts. Also, shout out to Zola. I hope she doesn't get arrested for accessory for the numerous crimes that there's like white slave trafficking there. There's murder.
Dog, if you take a white woman and put her into like any type of human trafficking situation, they are going to throw you under the jail. Even being associated with this shit. They're probably going to lock us up for talking about this shit.
You know what? That's racist, but I stand by it.
That's true.
I stand by it.
You know
you gotta protect these Alabama.
Shout out to Patrice O'Neal, you know what I'm saying? With the whole Natalie Holloway shit, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to the God.
The God, Patrice O'Neal.
You know what I'm saying? R.I.P. homie. Yo, but yeah, for me, when the whole shit happened when the dude jumped off the balcony and then his pants got caught and he didn't fall and die, I was like, all right, now this shit is sounding mad Jason Bourne-y.
Come on, guys.
Like, what's the strength level of those dungarees, my G? Like, come on. You know what I'm saying? I don't know.
Yeah. Also, shout out to BuzzFeed and... pardon.
Yeah.
Shout out to BuzzFeed and Complex.
That's a strong beer burp. I respect it.
You know, listen, it's 12:16 on a Thursday morning. What do you want from me? It's my life. What do you want? But... all these, BuzzFeed, Complex, all these content aggregators who made articles using her tweets are running ads on these articles, and they're cashing out. And this girl's not seeing not one fucking dime for it.
Yo, PayPal or something, man.
Yo, y'all gotta stop stealing from Black Twitter. All right? Y'all can't just take Black Twitter as a cow and just take its content as a milk.
Oh, man.
You know what I'm saying? And put it out there, and you're not compensating people.
You know what I'm saying?
Like, she's like, oh, she's trending and stuff. Guess what? She's still got to go to her job at Olive Garden.
You know what I'm saying?
Shit is not lit for her.
Oh, we could play in the club, but we can't come in the club?
That's not cool. So that's my pro-black moment right there.
That's right.
Because I'm sure I'm going to say some fucked up shit later on in this podcast.
Oh, of course.
To negate that pro-black shit.
That's right.
Like how I was saying to Mero, I want to do a porn called Black Pipes Matter.
Oh! And
I'm going to wear a blue vest like D-Ray. And I am looking over at the Red Bull engineer, and apparently I've gone too far.
Yo, Black Pipes Matter. Yo, that would be the funny. Yo, listen. Listen, that's Brazzers is snatching that right now. You already know they're doing it.
Oh man!
You know what's the offer? What do they have to? What do they have to offer you for you to actually follow through, go through with that?
Craft services. If there's food, it doesn't take much for me to make a porno. Like if you send a car to my house and you're like, yo, they got like cold cuts.
Yo, they got some fire antipasto over there, fam.
Listen, like getting free food for dick, like I mean, throw dick, like
cheese plate.
That's a relationship right there.
Yo, give me a cheese plate and some fun size.
Some antipasta, yeah, man. It's got an open bar. Y'all got beers. Yeah. Just me, a Heineken, just smashing retired porn stars.
Yo, shout out to
just me and Triana Trump.
Yo, shout out to all the retired pedo stars.
Yeah.
Yo, if you're a porn star, you listen to us, holla at us. You know what I'm saying? Let's talk about life. And speaking of porn stars and like women get slammed around,
wow, what a transition.
Whoa! You see that? I'm like Jason Kidd coming down the court.
That was a Caitlyn Jenner level transition, my dude. A cop in South Carolina.
Yo, this is crazy, dog. Because like, as a dude who worked in public school for mad years, I have and like, you know what I'm saying, ones in the hood where kids are actually wilding. Like, not a kid is like on Twitter and it doesn't want to get on Twitter. Like, a kid is in your face being like, yo, fuck you, suck my dick, nigga.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like, that type of shit. And I have never seen a security guard powerbomb a kid like that.
Yo.
That shit was crazy, fam.
That shit was...
And it's on video, but you know what? Low key, if it was my kid, I would be mad for like the first 15 minutes and then be like, yo, we are going to cash the fuck out.
Ching, ching.
Oh my God. I was like, yo, how many Power Wheels do you
That was,
want?
you know
little
how
nigga?
I know I'm a piece of shit? Because as soon as I saw it, I tweeted, I was like, this lawsuit is about to be lit.
Woo! Oh my God.
Listen.
Yo, listen, you just ensured your family's future. So shout out to you. You know
Shout
what
out
I'm
to that
saying?
little girl. Sadly, she's an orphan.
Oh shit.
Oh, you don't watch the news at
Oh
all.
no, I don't read the stories. I
She
just read the
recently
headlines.
lost her grandmother and her mother.
What?
So she just got transferred to that school,
Listen,
which is just making the story even worse.
listen, I know a lot of people that work behind the scenes in television listen to us. Lifetime people that are listening to this, do not snatch this story up and cast Zendaya as the girl who got thrown around and cast fucking Jake Gyllenhaal as the
They're
cop
gonna
and
use
shit.
what's the Precious?
Oh my God!
They're gonna use Precious because listen, she's a sympathetic character. Gabrielle
Cinnabay. I love her on Empire, I gotta say.
Cinnabay. Cinnabay sounds delicious.
Oh, so good.
It sounds like a cinnamon bay,
Oh my God.
like a type of Teddy Graham or something. Oh man,
She kind of looks like a Teddy Bear.
she does.
You know what I'm saying? Like mad adorable.
But she looks like she has a good spirit.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Let's fuck with her.
Yeah. She looks mad fun to smoke weed with. Like if we just hung out with her and smoked
Like
weed.
yeah, she's gonna laugh at everything. you say.
Everything, dog.
Everything.
Oh, they say something stupid like and just have us cracking up.
Gabrielle, come through with Gabby, come through and smoke weed with us at Red Bull.
Hey, did you ever have barbecue sauce? We just start fucking cracking up. Shout out to you, Gabby. Love
Oh
you.
man.
Come on the show.
In other news this week, young rapper Vince Staples
Oh man.
was arguing with Nori
What?
because
What?
Noreaga, famed legendary rapper
Chill.
from QB.
Nah, you can't fuck with Nori.
Okay. Or is he from Left Rack? He's from Left
He's
Rack,
from
right?
Left Rack, yeah.
Left Rack
City.
is Iraq.
Shout out to Left Rack City.
Composer of the classic War Report.
Shout out to
And
Queens.
basically, Vince Staples was
Shout out
just
to Despot.
saying that, 90s rap is washed. And he's not trying to hear it. And you know what the thing is? The problem is, I agree with him. If you're young, you're not trying to listen to
Yeah, that's
90s
true,
rap.
that's true,
Like
that's true.
Illmatic, if you were not alive for Illmatic, Illmatic is mad boring.
It's so boring.
Okay? It's like when people
Yeah.
say to us, like, yo, go back and listen to like
Yo, Houdini is fire. You don't
that
respect
kinda
Houdini?
shit. Like, nah, nobody's trying to,
I mean, yo, shout out to Busy B, but like,
that's, the music that's around when you're at your era, that's your music. So
That's
I
your
don't,
shit.
Vince Staples is not going to listen to Rakim. Like,
yo, if that nigga wants to listen to Spice Girls, let that nigga listen to Spice
good.
Girls, B. You know what I'm saying?
good.
Two Become One was kind of fire.
Okay.
I understand.
wow. Wow, my guy.
Yo, that's crazy though. But you can't disrespect Nori, man.
You
that's
can't,
what
that's the
makes
thing.
me
People
think.
on Twitter was like, yo, Nori's whack. Nori don't got bars. Nori got bars.
Nori got bars, dog.
Listen, when you hear the intro
on.
to fucking nothing,
Yo, come on. I know you know this because he says so much shit like y'all run laps around the English Channel like stupid shit that niggas are like, yo, he doesn't have bars. That nigga has bars.
but think
Go
about
listen to
Nori,
LA.
the stupid shit Nori says. How is that different than what Young Thug's saying now?
You know what I'm saying? Niggas
He-
love Young Thug.
Okay?
You know what I'm saying? Yo, fucking Future will get on a song and be like, I blew it back today. I blew it back today. Niggas love it, but Nori's whack.
Nori's whack? Come on. Chicks up.
I don't know about y'all.
Disrespect Nori.
Yeah.
All right?
But yeah, no, I feel you, man. It's like, yo, the music, because, yo, there's memories attached to, like, the War Report and shit like that for me.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, I was fucking doing graffiti and smoking dust. Like, yo, I remember that.
But I'm
You know
sure
what
Vince Staples has memories attached to like B2K and shit.
Yeah.
Like his first
Know what
time
I'm
getting
saying?
sloppy woppy.
Yeah, he was listening
Him
to
and his
fucking,
boys like humping couches.
Yeah.
That's what
You
millennials
know what I mean?
do.
That's what millennials are
Listen,
doing.
shout out to everyone who the first time they had sex was with an ottoman.
Yo,
Like sometimes you gotta put your dick between the cushions and
Yo.
practice your stroke.
fuck it, man. Listen.
Now everyone's like
That's the
looking
school-
at the couch next to them like,
Chill, don't do that, man. That's some fucking school to prison pipeline shit, man.
No, that's
don't
real.
start fucking inanimate objects in your crib, dog.
Nah,
that shit's
can
just
fuck a
preparing
couch.
you for jail.
You gotta like if you fuck a couch, you could like work on your stroke game. Cause that's the thing. A lot of guys are like, "Yo, the first time like you pipe it,
Yeah.
it can't be like with an actual chick. Like you're gonna stick it in like a pumpkin."
Yeah,
A pie?
I'm agreeing. I'm like, yo,
You agree
what?
with?
Yo,
Listen,
you know what I'm
shout out
saying?
to everyone that went to jail and learned how to make a little Debbie.
You know what I'm
okay,
saying? A Fifi.
a Fifi. You know what I'm saying? You take the tube for the toilet paper.
Niggas wanna do a YouTube tutorial video.
Or you take like a plastic bag, you put some Vaseline in it. Now you put it between your box spring and the mattress.
These is looking around the room right now for approval.
I'm giving you no approval. I'm in too deep. I'm gonna stop. Because apparently D just went too far. These are words I have never heard in my whole entire life.
I respect that. You know what I'm saying? Yo, fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you got a fucking futon.
Hey,
Yo, listen. Since
There's sexy futons.
we gotta start doing this because not
Fucking
like all the
futons?
rap dudes. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because all the rap dudes go to the club, they stand on the couch.
Yeah.
We're gonna take it to the next level. We're gonna start fucking couches in the club.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
That's right. That's hot. It's
Bodega
Hollywood.
Boys out here fucking couches in the club.
That's
it's
what
lit.
Fresh Montana said. It's Hollywood, yo.
It's Hollywood.
It's Hollywood.
You
You
know what I'm saying?
understand. You understand. You understand.
It's having fun, man.
Let's have fun. This is how it's all live. You know what I'm saying?
Yo.
Drink the rock.
Yo. Oh man. Oh.
Bodega Boys, we're back.
That's right.
And I don't want to brag. Don't want to jinx it, but my beloved Knicks are undefeated.
Yes.
Sure, they've only played one game.
Couldn't wait to tweet that. I waited until the game said final to tweet that.
Because the fourth quarter is nervous.
No, yo.
They had like a 15-point lead, and I was like, that's not enough.
It was real shaky. Yeah, no.
Oh,
Niggas
man.
said 25 points. I was like, nah. Chill.
Knicks are looking good, though.
Yo.
They're looking good. Like, what? Melo only had 8 points, and they were still cooking?
And they still cooking.
Oh, man.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, Kristaps Porzingis, once he realizes
White
that he's 10 feet tall.
Ewing.
Oh, man. I said it on Twitter last night, dog. It's fucking Shaquille Nowitzki in the building, dog.
Yo, once he starts getting some tattoos, comes back with the cornrows.
He gotta bring the cornrows back.
Yo, they said he couldn't play bully ball.
Come on, dog.
It's a big moment for white people.
Come on, B.
Okay, we got a white goon.
Yo, it's crazy. We should write a movie where like the spirit of Anthony Mason
Comes and takes over
Porzingis' body because that's what's happening right now.
Is that what's happening?
That is what's happening right now.
Is he gonna fight two cops in the middle of time?
He's possessed by Anthony Mason. He's gonna duff out a cop. He's gonna fucking write Porzingis in script in his head. You know what I'm saying? With the little barber chair.
Let's get Zola to write that.
Let's get Zola. Yo, Zola's about to fight. Yo, Shout out to Rise is about to cash. Yo, Shout out to Rise is about to sign you to an ill rookie deal. Shout out to Zola. You know what I'm saying?
Zola's gonna be out
She's
there.
repped by Scott Boras out here.
Sad thing is, our Knicks are cooking.
That's
you know
right.
who's not cooking? The Mets.
No, they're not.
It's looking kind of shaky for
They're in
them.
the 0-2-0. But yeah,
They're
last time they
0-2-0.
won in 86, they were down 0-2, and they came back and won it.
To be fair, 86 was almost 60 years ago. So, wow. I don't know.
Yo.
Like 86 was a whole different world.
Oh, my
like,
God.
You didn't have to. You could legally drink and drive.
You could smoke crack outside.
You could.
in 86.
Your baby didn't need a car seat.
No.
Throw that motherfucker on a phone book and
get
be
out
like,
here.
"Yo, you're good."
Yeah, hold on to the handles.
Oh, people were just burning buildings down. There was
Come on.
there was no cops.
No, there was
There
eight
were no
cops.
cops.
There was 8 cops.
There were 5 cops.
And they were all at David Dickens' house.
Oh man, times are terrible.
Yo, there was
But-
graffiti on the trains, man.
There was graffiti. There was more. There was like puddles of vomit and piss
Oh, yeah.
just sloshing around on the train. And every
man.
time the train went through a tunnel, the lights would go off.
Yo, if you took the train back in those days, dog, you would, and you remember, like at the end, you know, at the end of the train at the end of the train line where they like clean the train up, like it would just be a dude like half-heartedly push a broom through the car and just like leave mad vomit.
He
and,
was like he
shit on
would
the floor.
spit more spit onto the floor. The last time the Mets won, it was like if you watched the first episode of Law and Order,
Yeah.
it was like that kind of thing. Like blue cop cars. It's just bad. You got to shovel crack vials from in front of your house.
Oh my god.
And half those crack vials were from Daryl Strawberry.
Oh my god.
yeah, that's right. Meet the Mets. Meet the
Daryl.
Mets. I feel bad though. I don't take any as a Yankee fan. I don't take any joy in being like,
man.
yo, y'all niggas gonna lose because I want to see their little brother. I want to see them prosper.
Man, come
I want
on.
to see them prosper. They deserve it.
Yo. It's like
But-
your little brother gets asked for the
but you
first
know
time.
what?
You're like, yo, let me smell your finger.
You know, yeah.
know what I'm saying?
You got pictures?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh, you got video, nigga? Oh,
shit.
you
It's
lit. Oh, you lit.
Go into the bedroom afterwards and smell the mattress.
Oh god.
God damn. But yeah, maybe the Mets got a little too cocky after that sweep.
Yo, I think that's what it was, man. I could
little
get into,
hubris.
we could get into full baseball analyst mode, but I'm gonna spare y'all niggas that. But it's like Kansas City plays a different type of baseball than
That's-
those other
listen,
two teams. You know what I'm saying?
that
They
AL game, dog.
Listen, come on, man.
Listen,
Yeah, it might be slow for the Mets. I hope they win, though. I really hope they win.
I hope they at least even it out.
Come on, you know what I'm
At
saying?
least make it a good 7 games,
Yeah, you know what I mean?
I want to see that.
Dog, you know,
You know why not? Because if not, we're just gonna have to hear about this forever.
Oh, my
remember how
God.
close we were? Remember 2015? We were right there. We were right there.
You know what's crazy? A lot of people don't mention the 2000 World Series.
Oh.
Like niggas don't talk about that a lot.
Why? Well, who won that? Who won the 2000 World Series?
I don't know. Let's ask A-Rod.
Ah!
Who came on TV yesterday and said Yankees instead of Mets because he
Oh.
knows where his fucking bread is buttered.
He knows.
You know what I'm saying?
He knows who signs those fucking checks. He doesn't want to have to fellatio Steinbrenner.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, Mike. First time, long time. Listen. I have a trade proposal for you. I'm going to give it to you, and then I'm going to hang up and listen to you. I'm thinking, CC Sabathia, straight up.
That's ridiculous.
CC Sabathia, straight up.
That's ridiculous.
For
that's
Murphy.
That's
For Murphy.
That's a foolish. Why would you even say that? That's a foolish trade suggestion. I don't understand why you would even suggest that. It's stupid. All right, we got Mike and Queens. Mike.
Hey.
All right, shut the fuck up. Go fuck yourself.
How is your Mike Francesa like Bill Cosby and Ben Carson?
I don't even know. I can't do. I'm the only white guy. Can I do white guys? Who's my white guy? Whoa! But yo, let's try. Let's forget that by doing the Red Bull drop. Do the drop.
Do the drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Recently, a study came out that said Bronx men are the ugliest men in the country.
God, okay, I'll take it. I
Word?
don't care.
I don't care.
I don't give a fuck. I'm still out here slanging dick. No, I'm not. Let me stop. Shut the wife. I love you.
That's a very hurtful, Bronx. That's very specific.
Come on.
Out of all the boroughs.
People, you know what? That's why we are so united and so strong as a people. You know what I'm saying? My fellow Bronxites.
Shout out to Bronx Twitter.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Bronx Twitter. Because motherfuckers are always slandering us, fam.
Unnecessary.
Oh, yo, Bronx, you niggas is dirty. Oh, you niggas got herpes. Oh, y'all niggas is the ugliest niggas on earth. Yo, get out of here, man.
Yo.
You really gonna tell me that motherfuckers in the Bronx are worse looking than like some random town in North Dakota?
Or the Adirondacks?
Come on.
Come on.
The Appalachians?
Come on.
Go to West Virginia and tell me the motherfuckers there look better than me walking down East Tremont on a summer day looking mad luxurious.
You trying to tell me everyone on Fordham Road right now
Come on.
is uglier than everyone in Allentown, Pennsylvania?
No.
Come on.
Nah.
Nah.
I don't buy it.
What, Tallahatchie, New Mexico?
Come on, dog. I
Come
can
on.
be a million times out there.
These places
Carbondale.
sound ugly.
Yeah. Come
I
on.
don't stand for this. Plus, me, myself, personally, I know I have good eyebrows.
That's right.
So this ugly slander does not stand. The Bronx has beautiful men. Look at it. No, I am secure enough to say, look at my man French.
You know what I'm saying?
French got himself. French is running through chicks.
Strong hairline.
Okay? He out here.
He's out here.
Sanaya Lathan.
Yeah.
Technically, Derek Jeter's from the Bronx.
That's right.
Because he played
He's
there.
lived here so long, he's Puerto Rican.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's it.
Do you see that rumor they say he's getting married? Jeter ain't fucking getting married. Come on, man.
You know, I think he invented the 80-20 rule and then called Puff and was like, yo, I got some shit for you, Puff. I can't say this.
Listen.
But maybe you can.
Derek Jeter got in-house pussy now. He don't even have to leave the house. He don't got to go to the stadium.
He don't care.
He chilling. Why would he get married now?
But to be fair, Derek Jeter always had in-house pussy.
That's true.
Wherever he was at, yo, come on.
You talking about Tyson Beckford?
Nigga has seamless.
Allegedly.
Wait till Desus comes out with this. I worked in a nightclub memoir. Man, oh my God.
Stop it.
That's gonna shatter.
Stop it, fam. I'm gonna get assassinated now. Yo, but no, like Derek Jeter's not getting married.
Nah, come on, man.
I love how there was like he's gonna marry this like 20-year-old. Like, no. Because you know what the problem with marrying a 20-year-old is? She's not gonna be 20 forever.
That's right.
Okay? And there's gonna be another hot 20-year-old. But Derek Jeter, gotta hear both sides.
Yep.
The next generation of 20-year-olds are not gonna know who Derek Jeter was.
Mm-hmm. That's
so
true.
He's not gonna have that same pull.
That's true.
So
I mean,
maybe
feel
he
like
gets out the game now?
He has to. You know what he got to start doing? He got to start doing TV shit.
Yeah.
And get in the because a lot of people will be like, oh, Michael Strahan, he's a great TV guy. You know what I'm saying? A lot of niggas don't remember that he was taking motherfuckers' heads off on the football field.
That's true.
The younger generation.
He looks cuddly.
That's what I'm saying.
You know what?
Derek Jeter too. Derek Jeter got the weak hairline. You know what I'm saying? The round face. You know
I'm gonna be mad racist right now.
Yeah.
Every time I see Michael Strahan next to Kelly Ripa, I get scared. Is that right?
Yeah.
Is that racism?
Yo,
that is racism.
It is, but fuck it.
You know what? Because I just feel
It's
like
reality.
It's like when you see someone next to a tiger.
Yeah.
And you're just like, damn, where's the handler?
You never know what's gonna happen.
If Michael Strahan wanted to rip Kelly Ripa in half, there's not a motherfucker on that set that could stop him.
Who's gonna check? Who's gonna check? Show me the PA that's gonna check Michael Strahan.
Okay,
like, yo, Mike, you can't do that, Mike.
And that's why he smiles, because he knows everyone is deadly afraid of him.
He never got his teeth fixed. He's just like, yo, I dare you to say something.
Say some shit about my teeth. I will fit you between this gap, nigga.
I will
stomp you out.
He'll whistle with his gap and be like,
boy.
Oh my God, I wish you would.
Don't get out of here, boy. Shout out to Kelly Ripa. And then people were like, yo, I think they're fucking. I was like, yo, dog.
Chill.
Listen, I'm not saying I have thought about the size of Michael Strahan's dick, but I'm pretty sure. So it's out here. Throw a couple no homos after this.
Yeah.
Michael Strahan will rip Kelly Ripa in half.
Yo, Kelly ripped in half, dog.
Check it. Check it.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Oh, Kelly ripped in half. Oh,
hey.
wow. Okay. This episode is brought to you by Vauville.
Yeah, I like how on the run that the Bronx ugly shit is just as Bronx men ugly.
Listen, I felt strongly about that. What does it say above it, though?
Jared!
With an exclamation point. Because your man Jared,
Yo!
Chomo,
Oh my God.
he can't. There's like a thing on Gawker was saying that how much he was talking about he enjoys sex with little boys.
My nigga, what are you doing
Yo,
out
how
here?
did he only got like 5 years, right?
How you plead out from touching little boys' buttholes? I get caught with 20 grams, I'm going to jail.
You going
nigga.
to jail.
I'm going to jail.
Jared's out here writing memoirs about the shit.
Fuck! What's going on?
He's like writing Yelp reviews about little kids, and he goes to jail for 5 years.
Yo! They got that nigga fucking, he's on probation. For fucking diddling kids.
Diddling kids, hit him
Yo.
with the extra meat. No,
Let me get caught with a gun that don't even work.
they don't even work. You're going to jail for a long time.
For a long time.
This motherfucker giving the $5 footlong, and you know what? They'll let him cook.
This nigga slinging double meat out here, fam.
Yo, get Subway out the paint.
Come
Matter of
on.
fact, why haven't people been like, yo, Subway, you're responsible for this, so get rid of Subway.
Get out of here. Yeah.
I feel this is what Ben Carson was talking about, the PC culture.
That's right.
But I like that people can get shut down for shit like that.
Yeah.
I like that a good tweet. I could go on Twitter right now and be like, yo, let's shut down. So, do we want to do this? Do we want to get Subways out the paint?
Who are we gonna get out the paint? Who's fucking up? Who's being problematic out there?
Who's being problematic other than Subway?
This is when a live phone line would be fire.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
Be like, yo, call us up right now.
1-800-223-9797. But yeah, Jared, wow, man.
Yo, he's wild, dog. Yo,
Someone's gonna kill him in jail.
listen, the number one thing to do when you are fucking kids
Whoa! Whoa!
is never talk about that shit.
That's not on the run of show.
First of all, don't fuck kids. That's just, yo, what do you know what I'm saying? But yo,
Listen, that can't be the first thing on your list of things to do when you're fucking kids. Okay?
number one on the list is don't fuck kids.
But
If you insist.
oh my god.
Yo, this
You know
shit is
what I
terrible.
notice? Every week we talk about prostitutes, child molesters, and
Oh my
K2.
God.
Every week.
We're gonna get him.
And phones.
We're gonna get them all. We're gonna have him on as
So
guests.
if you are a prostitute, a child molester,
Yeah.
or you sell K2,
Yeah.
contact us for sponsoring
if you're all three,
for sponsoring abilities. Oh
yo, this
man.
shit's crazy. But yeah, nah, dog, come on, you can't fuck kids, my nigga. That's fucked up. Number one, and number two, who brags about fucking kids?
Child molesters.
Is there like a message board where they all hang out and they're all like, yo,
if you enjoy people who are an aficionado of a hobby
oh my god,
or a crime. So if you enjoy cars, you talk with other people about cars. So child molesters talk to other child molesters.
Imagine a child molester message board with all like the little memes and shit, like with like the
Yeah.
crying Jordan meme and
Oh,
shit.
God.
Like yo, my man got knocked. They got his whole external hard drive crying Jordan meme.
Oh my god.
Like yo,
You are going to such a dark place right
Yo,
now.
it's
But
disgusting.
those places exist.
that place exists.
Those places exist.
This is a sick world we live in, B.
Sick sad world,
You
like
know
in
what I'm saying?
Daria.
Sick sad world.
Sick sad world. No, I mean, like, listen, we tell you about the harsh realities
Yo,
out there.
we show you
These
the
are real
disgusting
things.
underbelly of the
These
world.
are real things. These people are trading photos, and Jared was right in the middle of that.
In the mix.
He was in a mix. Listen, he wasn't just a client. He was a child molester president.
Oh my god.
Okay? He was out here like hair plug for men, but in a
Yo.
diddling kids kind of way.
Oh, what a fucking disgusting fuck.
Hopefully, you know what? Someone's gonna bash his head in
Oh, you
jail.
already
Because
know.
even if he goes to PC, which is where they put the child molesters and the snitches,
Yep.
you still got people. You got people like gang dropouts.
Yep.
Someone in there could kill him. Another child
yeah.
molester could kill him.
Oh, yeah.
A snitch, a cop, someone in PC is gonna bash his head. Look how long they waited to kill Jeffrey Dahmer.
Come on.
Okay? Because when you're in prison, you got nothing but what? Time.
That's it.
Now you just sit there, and it could be 5 years, could be 10 years, could be 20 years.
Well.
And you got 5 years to kill Jared.
Listen, you guys find something to do in between your GED classes and your fucking knitting class. You got,
They're gonna bust him open to the double meat. Okay? So shout out to you, Jared.
Yo, when I say you should kill Jared in jail, you know what
We're
I'm
not saying, but if you do, tag us in it. So the New York Times.
Yo, a smooth segue.
Smooth segue.
This is a
Smooth
Bodega
segue.
Boys
Bodega
all
Boys Shipping Barrel Company for all your needs.
Yo.
New York Times had an article this weekend about the rising popularity of Jamaican food.
Oh. The rising popularity of
You can't see I'm clutching my pearls right now. And next to it, they just had like just a white chef, just like with a plate of jerk.
making out here
Just out here making jerk
just
shit.
for jerking off.
And they were just like, listen, you usually have to go to like a shop to get this, but now it's like Miss Lily's.
Now
is
it's somewhere
downtown.
where you don't have to take a bus. or
Now
be
you don't
scared.
have to. Now you don't have to go by the projects or
Yeah.
order behind bulletproof glass.
Oh my god.
All right, New York Times.
Come on, man.
Come on.
Listen, you transplant niggas. Part of being a transplant and earning your stripes as a New Yorker is going to a dangerous neighborhood for an ethnic meal. So now y'all fucking,
on
you know
it.
what I'm saying? Now you motherfuckers motherfuckers are really not even paying your dues at all.
You're not even doing like you going to a safe place to get Jamaican.
Come on.
You're not gonna get good Jamaican food from a non-dangerous neighborhood.
You can't.
Right? You gotta go to Flatbush.
Come on.
You gotta go White Plains Road, Gun Hill Road, Boston Road.
Yep.
You know, what is it, 2nd Ave in Mount Vernon?
That's right.
You gotta go to these places and you gotta get bad service.
Yep.
The bad service. And the New York Times, you're sending these people who get like vegan pumpkin spice
on,
lattes,
dog.
and they're not gonna put up with the bad service.
The word vegan should not be in any Caribbean food.
Don't be
restaurant.
walking up in no Caribbean patty shop and asking if those are gluten-free patties, my G.
Oh my god!
All right, you're gonna get acid thrown in your face
You're gonna get acid thrown in your face, or you're gonna get stared to death. You know what I'm saying?
by my aunt Patrice Ann,
That's right.
who has a hairnet.
Don't disrespect her.
She has glasses, but she doesn't use the glasses to look at you because she looks at you over the
Over the
glasses
glasses.
because they're on the tip of her nose. Very judgmental.
Yep.
Before she asks you what you want, she looks you from head to toe and maybe goes, You know? Not much of a comment, but enough of a comment to make you say, what was that?
Little subtle
Little
teeth suck.
subtle,
Little,
well,
well,
she's gonna give you a half-hearted West Indian compliment, like, you have a big face.
what you want, big face?
What you want, big face? Who next? Big skin girl? Okay. Jamaican people, West Indian people in general, they will take, West Indian people and Africans will take a regular characteristic of your body and turn it into an insult.
Yeah.
They're like you with the 2 ears.
Like, I
And you're like, what? Everyone has 2 ears.
Everyone-
No, not like you.
No, you have
Not like you.
I have 2 ears.
Yeah. You with the beard.
Why? You just like why is a bit? There's other people with beard here. Why are you saying me?
No, you have they say something to someone else. They're like, yeah, you look at the beard.
Look at the beard.
You don't want to hear that.
No, you don't want to hear that
You
at
don't
all.
hear that.
Also, if you go anywhere and get a fucking Jamaican food and you get it in under 30 minutes,
It's gonna be trash.
She's gonna be trash.
It's gonna be trash.
She's gonna be trash.
Because getting Jamaican food is a duel.
It's about the
It's
journey.
a dance.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They're gonna do this. They're gonna do that. You're gonna ask for this. It's gonna be sold out, but they're not gonna tell you it's sold out. You're gonna do your whole order.
Yeah.
They're gonna repeat it back to you. They're gonna be like, "You want curry goat, rice and peas, cabbage, and gravy on the rice?" And you're like, "Yes." And they're gonna be like, "We don't have it." And you're like, "Why'd you read it back to me?"
I'd be like, why?
Because that's what we do. That's the culture. So shout out to New York Times.
Yeah.
Yo, shout out to all the places. This is the Light Flex. When I was on Anthony Bourdain,
Oh.
all the places I took him to get food.
That's right.
And this is how you know Jamaican people ain't about shit. Every place I took Anthony Bourdain still charging me for food.
Oh yeah. I don't give a
Nothing.
fuck.
They'd be like, "Oh shit, it's Jesus from the Anthony Bourdain show. That'd be $7.59." No love.
You'd be like, I got $7.50. Well,
Well, then I guess you're not getting a meal. Why is rehab on?
who went to rehab?
Are we going? Oh, I think I said something about us going to rehab. Do we have to go to rehab?
We have to go to rehab? I mean, you're drinking a beer at noon, and I have taken several pills that I don't know what they are. You know what I'm saying?
I don't think we'd be as much fun if we went to rehab.
Yeah, nah.
Like, we're basically killing our bodies for content.
For y'all.
For y'all.
You know what I'm saying? This is
Okay.
a sacrifice I'm making.
Listen, but no, think about it. There's no good comics all the best comics died early.
Yeah,
Patrice, Greg Giraldo.
that's true.
You know? It's lit.
Bernie Mac.
Bernie Mac. Did Bernie Mac, but he didn't die from like drugs. He died from like chitlins or some shit.
Yeah. But yo, we all have our vices.
We all have a vice.
You know what I'm saying?
What do you think is gonna kill you? Like the full size Snicker bars?
Probably full-size Snicker bars or weed. When people invent a weed that's so strong that it can kill you,
Yeah.
I'll probably OD on that.
Probably OD on that.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Or like my back just keeps getting fucked up and I just keep eating Percocet like Tic Tacs. You know what I'm saying?
What happened?
You might find me
But you have 3
with
kids.
blue lips and a hotel room.
3 kids, that equals extra organs.
Hell yeah.
So,
You know what I'm saying?
you know what I'm saying?
I'm not trying to, but you
when you
listen.
go home tonight, just massage with their kidneys like, hey,
Yo.
I'm coming for you.
I'm just tenderizing this shit.
You
little nigga.
basically have a farm league
Oh.
of organ donors.
That
That
listen,
is, if you want to have kids, just be like, yo, don't be like, yo, I want to raise them, I want to change the world. Be like, nah, in case I fuck up,
Oh, yeah.
I got extra organs on deck.
people are like, yo, why you always so worried about what your kids eat and how healthy they are? I'm like, nigga, because I'm gonna need those kidneys.
Listen.
I might need a lobe of your liver.
You got artisanal farm raised
You know what I'm saying?
organs.
I got free range Dominican fucking.
Don't think I'm not
organic
plotting on
fucking-
getting a liver from one of Mero's beautiful half Jewish, half Dominican kids. I'll be over like, Avery, come here, give Uncle Jesus a hug. He's like, why did you squeeze my lower back? I'm like,
no.
"Shut the fuck up. Drink more water, nigga.
Your pee's too yellow.
If you see, I like this. Go against the chart. Let me see. Let me see. Oh no, your urine's the color of Jordan's eyes. More water.
No, more.
Bum piss.
Bring him the fucking, what do you call it? Distilled water. Bring him baby water.
Oh,
Yo,
man.
baby shit is such a racket. Yo, I'm gonna piggyback on Kanye's rant, which was piggybacking on my rant about in-app purchases. You know what I'm saying? If you've been listening to the show,
There's our new section called the Fatherhood Report, featuring the kid Mero.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? Baby,
because you guys don't realize Mero's going to be the next Ray Romano.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make him lovable and cuttable to mainstream America. He's
coming.
gonna be he's gonna replace Dr. Huxtable.
Listen, that's what.
So don't
America
have no
needs.
shit in your background like Dr. Huxtable,
No,
nigga.
No.
Let us know right now.
No type of. Yo, I can honestly say nobody in the history of the earth could be like, yo, Mero try to finesse this church. You know what I'm saying? Like all the church I've gotten in my entire life.
You just cleaned that up. Mero tried to finesse this church. There are people in jail right now for trying to finesse this church. There was a whole New Yorker magazine about women whose church Bill Cosby tried to finesse. So shout out to Mero for cleaning that up.
Yo, rape is such an ugly word, dog. You know what I'm saying?
Because it's an ugly thing.
It's an ugly thing. So it's just I hate saying it.
It's a jarring thing. Rape, nigger, faggot. There's certain words that should have a visceral reaction when you hear them. And it's like that's why people are like you shouldn't use the N-word because it's losing its edge. But anytime you hear the N-word, you're like, yo. Go somewhere, go to an elevator full of white people, like, yo, my nigga. Yeah. Like it's like, whoa, that shit just drops. Remember Future's album? He says faggot once.
Yes.
But when he says it that one time, you're like,
yo, he's a faggot.
Whoa. Like you took off your headphones, like, whoa.
Hey. That's when you take off your headphones to make sure that the sound isn't leaking.
Yeah, you're like, yo, did anyone else hear that shit? That's the same thing with rape.
Yep.
Yeah. Like when you see that shit on your Twitter timeline, you be like, yo, especially if it's like 7 a.m., you're like, oh, it's gonna be one of those days.
Oh, okay.
Because it'd be out there like, bow.
Yeah, no, I'm checking out.
Yep.
I'm gonna go get an extra coffee. You know what I'm saying?
I'll come back at 1 o'clock.
I'm gonna go.
Hopefully, we'll be talking about ass eating or tipping.
Let me see what's up on Deadspin. You know what I'm saying?
Man.
Like, no. Let me listen to this old Bodega Boys. Listen, shit is wild. But that's a perfect segue into what we promised our listeners last week.
Problematic raps.
Problematic raps.
Mm-hmm. Oh man,
there's some shit out there, man, that is kind of crazy.
There's a lot of like that Future song. That's one of them. There was a lot, but I mean, early '90s, you could get away with like a lot of problematic shit. Brand Nubian punks jump up to get beat down.
Oh man,
that's a whole song about beating up gay people.
Yo, low key, niggas don't even know.
And niggas was loving that shit.
Yeah, they're like, yo.
When you look back at some of the songs you enjoy, like Log On and Step On Chichi.
Oh shit! I was just the elephant this one. I was like, yeah, and then I'm like, because on Twitter, if you follow me on Twitter, which you should, like I often will post a screen cap of what I'm listening to. And I was listening to Elephant this morning, and I was like, yo, I hope I'm not listening to one of the songs where he's just like, yo, kill gay people. You know what I'm saying?
A lot of people love dancehall. They don't realize what the songs are saying.
Yo,
what the crazy thing about Log On was like there was a dance to go with it.
Yeah, stepping
like
on gay
niggas
people.
was in the club
doing the step on gay people dance.
Stepping on gay people dance. Like yo, that's like whoa,
so ill.
That's crazy.
Yo, it's wild.
Yo,
shout out to you if you were doing the step on gay people dance, you didn't even know it.
You didn't know it. And when people were less, because people were just like, I don't understand the lyrics.
Yeah.
Okay. What about Boom Bye Bye?
Oh my God. Yo, shout out to Anthony Weiner for being at the West Indian Day Parade and singing along to Bumbo Red, which is definitely a song about shooting gay people in the head, I think.
Oh, yeah.
And he was jamming to that shit too. Like, yo, I was like, oh, you're wild.
Oh, man.
Yo, that's not going to poll well.
At all. Anthony Weiner's had enough trouble with polls.
Oh, yeah.
Hey! Joking off, coming back in December.
That's right.
Oh, do you guys remember DRS? They had Gangsta Lean.
Yep.
This one, my homie.
What was the B-side to Gangsta Lean?
B-side? Move That Hand. A song about date rape. And the hook was basically move your hand, bitch.
Oh, my God.
Shout out to DRS.
Whoa.
Who decided they were going to be a little edgier.
Yeah, a little edgy.
Yeah.
Wow. Yo, but that was a whole era in rap, dog. Like horrorcore, all that shit where you could just say the most outrageous shit.
But see, horrorcore was the thing. There was never like rapecore. There was never like, yo, right now it's trendy to make a song about this.
Rapecore. Oh my God. That's what we don't need. It's for somebody to be like, yo, it's ironic. I'm do ironic rapecore.
But I feel like Vice would do an article about a rapper doing that. Some guy that lives in fucking Bushwick. Yeah. And he was like, yo, I'm reappropriating because I'm like raping your ears. Some shit like that. And that shit, it would be like Little Dicky or some shit.
Yeah, Little Dicky. Little Dicky doing date rape anthems. Oh my God. No. Yo, this is out of control. Yo, stop trying to hustle us, man. I do not need
us?
dads. You know what I'm saying? People with kids and shit. And moms. Moms are mass susceptible to this shit. Because, yo, hormonically, you know what I'm saying?
Hormonically.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I made that word up because do a great Ben Carson, so that means I can make up medical terms. If I do a Ben Carson one more time, I get a prescription pad in the mail. That's what I heard. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Shit.
Yo, all these companies will make you buy shit that you do not need and have you believe that you need it for your kid. I do not need baby water. Baby water is a thing, my nigga. Like, you go into like any baby store and they have gallons of baby water. What's
What
baby
is
water?
the difference between regular water and baby water?
I don't know.
But you know what? When you have, because like you're on your third kid, so you're mad. You're like,
I don't care.
whatever.
No. My kids are drinking tap water. Fuck that.
Yeah, but I'm saying,
I live
like,
in New York City, my nigga. Why you drinking tap water, B? Come on.
If I was to, impregnate Rihanna tomorrow, shout out to Rihanna.
Shout out to Rihanna. Hashtag come home, Rihanna.
Come home, Rihanna.
what I'm
You saw I poured my heart out
right.
on Common Sense.
If you didn't, go Google
Go
it.
Google that.
what
Go
I'm
Google that. Do your Googles.
Yeah, right.
But if I was to impregnate Rihanna, I would have this wonderful.
Wait. When you impregnate Rihanna?
When? Thank
Continue.
you.
Continue.
Speak it into existence.
Right.
I gotta put it on my
That's
dream
right.
board,
Tell
my
me.
vision board.
That's right.
So when I impregnate Rihanna, we have the Samsung commercial, and we have our beautiful little half Bayesian, half Jamaican kid.
Beautiful.
We're drinking baby water. The baby's drinking, because when you have your first kid, you do all that dumb shit. You buy all that stuff you don't need.
Yeah.
Okay? We're buying like the nipple inserts to help the breast milk flow.
Yo, nipple
forward.
cream?
Okay, nipple cream.
Shout out to the nipple cream
Not
my
even
wife
nipple
bought
cream.
and used one time.
Sriracha for the nipples, so the baby's milk is flavored. Okay,
Oh,
that kind of
shit.
stuff. We'll be at Whole Foods buying baby's first celery.
Yo, you know what's crazy? Jessica Alba low key made $1 gazillion with her little baby organic company.
Okay,
We
and
doing
now she gets real. Fuck Jessica Alba, okay? Because Jessica Alba's sunscreen let my little nephew get burned up.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Yo, listen.
Remember this summer where like everybody was getting fucked up from that? Was it Natural or something? That's the name of it. My sister put it on my nephew, and they were out on the beach, and he got mad sunburn.
What?
And she tweeted at Jessica Alba, and Jessica Alba was like, "Yo,
sorry.
guess what?
Too busy counting my stacks.
Guess what? I got money. I don't
my
care about
dick.
your kid.
I don't give a fuck about
I don't
your
give a
kids.
fuck about your kid. I'm Jessica fucking Alba.
Honest.
What was the last movie I was in? Oh, you can't remember, but guess what? I'm still getting checks off it. Quiet for you. Is she a Scientologist?
She probably is.
Probably,
When
right.
niggas get too popping and then like they just are continuously popping for no reason.
Yeah.
Jessica Alba's not been in a movie since the movie
What's
with
the last
Jadakiss.
movie? Like Honey, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I said the movie with Jadakiss, like Jadakiss was the fucking leading man. Yo, but yeah, nah.
When are we gonna join Scientology?
Yo.
Are you gonna? Because you're already kind of Jewish.
I'm kind of in
You're
there.
kind of Jewish.
I feel like
Your dreidel kind of spins.
yeah,
You know.
Yeah, I got dreidels.
You got
I
the yarmulke condoms.
I got Hamantushians on deck.
What is
You know what I'm
that?
saying? Niggas don't even know about that.
What is that? I feel like you mentioned that before.
Shout out to all the people in my mentions like,
Yo, chow for repping. Chow for repping the tribe. We have a lot of Jewish listeners.
yeah.
So
lit.
that's cool.
So listen, when we
That's
get
cool.
locked up,
You know?
call your dad.
Don't Google Desus Mein Kampf rap because you're not gonna think I'm so cool.
Yeah.
But no, yeah.
Yeah, no, I got Hamantushians on deck. Hamantushians are actually, they're just like
They
cookies.
sound delicious. Yeah, they're cookies.
yeah.
Okay.
They're very good. You know what I'm saying? You make them for one of the Jewish holidays, which I think it's Purim.
There's like lots of Jewish holidays.
There's so many.
There's so many.
It's so ill, and you can't even question it. You know what I'm saying?
You can't.
Like, you can't question it.
Because you're anti-Semitic.
Oh, you kidding me? Why you guys? What's Purim? Is that a real thing you guys are doing? Oh, excuse me?
Ah.
Are you questioning my fucking Day of Atonement, fam?
Yeah.
Is that what you're doing right now? You can't do that.
Can't do
You know
that.
what I'm saying? Motherfuckers will get you out the beat real
Do you
fast.
do the Sabbath and just be mad lazy on Saturday? Like,
I-
I like you call your kids into the room, like turn on the light because I can't
Yeah,
do work.
I can't do it. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Y'all haven't been bar mitzvah yet. You know what I'm saying? So you got to do as I say. You know what I'm saying? Pay homage to the mezuzah on my front door. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here. Come on, niggas ain't ready. Yo, when I'm on the fucking, I'm out here reading the Torah, nigga, in the booth.
Really?
Nigga is lit.
Wow. So, quick question.
Yeah.
Not being ignorant.
Okay, let's talk. Don't ask me about my foreskin, nigga.
I'm not gonna. Why would I ask you about a foreskin? Why was that where your mind automatically goes? Because I took that quick pause before I start talking. Actually, I was gonna ask you about your foreskin. Because a lot of people don't know this. Hasidic Jews, when they do the circumcision, they stop the blood by sucking on the dick.
No, they
They
stop.
do.
I said
that doctor. It's on the news. There was a doctor
Stop.
giving babies herpes by sucking on the dicks after doing the circumcision. Mero, this is not true. It's in the paper.
Yo, listen. I think this is not true, but then
It's true.
I said it to a lot of people. I said it to my wife actually, because my wife is like a terrible Jew,
Mm-hmm.
and you know what I'm saying. Like, she doesn't know a lot of things that you should know. So I'm like, yo, did you know that? And she was like, what? Because our kids aren't circumcised. You know what I'm saying? I'm just putting that out there. TMI, I don't care.
Jared's
but when we had
listening to
the
this and
whole,
rubbing his hands.
yo, he's like, yeah. Oh my God, I almost did like a Jared and said a terrible thing.
Next week, you're going to do a Jared impression. This is going to be our last episode.
Oh my God.
Look forward to episode 7, our last episode.
Yo, but it's like, that was a weird conversation that we had.
Right.
You know what I'm saying, with the OB, because the OB was Jewish. She was like, "Yo," she looks at me and she said, "No offense." And when motherfuckers tell you no offense,
right,
they are about to fucking nuke you with offensive shit. You know what I'm saying? But I'm like, I don't understand why she thought it was offensive to ask me if I was going to circumcise my kids.
I mean, low key, if you're not Jewish, you have to realize like circumcision is like you're like, hey, cut my baby's dick.
Yeah,
like that's not cool.
That's how I posited it to Heather. You know what I'm saying? I was like, yo, we're going to cut our kid's dick as soon as they're born. This kid is going to take his first breath, maybe pee for the first time, and then you're going to cut his dick.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I was like, we shouldn't do that. He's like, my parents didn't cut my dick. You know what I'm saying?
But as a baby, he has no say in it.
That's right.
People shouldn't get circumcised until they're old enough to know, and then they get circumcised at 22 and ruin your sex life.
That should be. I'm gonna start my own branch of Judaism where at your bar mitzvah you decide if you want to be circumcised,
and then you get circumcised in front of everyone.
In front of everyone.
In front of everyone
and
at your bar mitzvah.
Yeah.
When they lift you up on the chair.
Yeah. With your
the guy just got the scalpel moving around like,
oh no!
Stand still. Saul, stand still. And that's it. I'm gonna miss.
Yo, watch. By the time my kids are 13, I'm gonna be so popping. I'm gonna get Billy Crystal to do it.
Oh man. Is that like a thing? Like get Larry David to circumcise your kid? And then like he misses and just hear like the Curb Your Enthusiasm music. He's like, ow! Why is the kid moving? I told him stay still.
Jeff Steele's like, Larry, you circumcised the kid wrong. Why do you do that?
Larry, you idiot! Are you fucking kidding me?
Yes.
Are you fucking kidding me? You missed with the foreskin!
Larry, you fucking moron!
Bom, bom, bom. The camera just zooms in on him. Oh, man.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, God.
Jeez.
That is wild. We just talked about my kid's dick for 10 minutes.
We talked about your kid's dick. We talked about rape. We talked about child molesters.
Oh,
Only thing we have
God.
not talked about is K2. And we're not talking about K2. We're not talking about iPhones
Christ.
or anything like that. Listen, you wanted 2 episodes in 1 week.
Here you go.
Here you go. This is Bodega Boys. It's grimy.
That's
It's
right.
real life.
That's right.
Okay? When you go to the bodega, you get your sandwich. They're not using gloves to make it.
No.
You get cat hair.
Yeah.
You get some roach legs.
That's part of the experience.
But it's real.
That's right.
It's authentic. It's New York. That's what you're fucking getting over here, guys.
That's right.
Okay? You're
right.
getting the real shit. You're getting the Bodega Boys episode 6.
That's
It's
right.
6. Shout out to Drake. I was thinking maybe we do the whole episode Canadian in honor of the 6th God. But then all I had is like one Tim Hortons joke. So I was like, fuck this. I got
I was like, what are we going to do? Just politely
everything? Oh,
Yeah.
ooh.
Hey.
Oh, the SC cop slammed that girl. Was that a boot?
What? I don't even know. Canadian. What do you do Canadian accents like it's fucking Belgium and shit?
is.
Like, niggas are fucking.
No, they be busting their guns in Canada. Yo, as always, every time we talk about Canada, shout out to the Mississauga.
You know what I'm
Massive. I am the only person.
Shout out to Jane Finch.
I am the only person in Hollywood that reps Mississauga. You
know what I'm saying?
All right? Let people know the mittens out here. The
You know what I
saga
mean?
continues.
That's right. Shout out to Toronto. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Vancouver. Shout out to fucking.
Yo, do you understand how big Canada
Nova
is?
Scotia.
We know nothing about Canada.
Is Nova Scotia in Canada?
It's I don't know. It's around there.
It's around
up there.
It's up there.
It's up there.
Drake just bought Nova Scotia.
He might have. Most Americans cannot name 5 Canadian cities.
No way.
That's
No way.
what being an American means. Be like, yo,
Being mad ignorant.
America is like, yo, we don't give a fuck about anybody
Nah.
else.
It's like-
America is like the person that pulls out their phone and starts texting as you're going up the subway.
Listen,
stairs.
can I give you a great metaphor? America is us. America is the dude in your family that gets popping and rich and just doesn't
care?
fuck with anybody
else?
adjacent to them. Like, yo, I'm good. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh damn.
Oh, damn.
Oh,
You
your
can't
house
pay your rent this
You
month?
can't pay your. Oh
Damn.
shit. Damn.
You
nigga.
really should do something to fix that
Oof,
situation.
damn. How you spell foreclosure?
Oh, I got sent on this Instagram shit. You saw when I was at the VMAs with Kanye? That's me. I'm even the wild take that shit. Like people were just like, yo. So like my mother was like, how's your job? I was like,
Oh,
my job?
Yeah, you know what I always do? Every time I'm in a situation like I'm sitting and I'm around people that don't know what I do, I just wait for Heather to tee it up. Like people ask or start talking about their job and it's like blah blah, and Heather's like, "Tell them what you do." And I'm just like, "Oh, I don't want to Okay.
Okay.
Here's all the
Well.
phone. Here's Kanye. Here's this guy. It was that one time when Nick Cannon. Me and Jesus were on the rooftop of the Ritz smoking medicinal weed.
It's all true.
Yeah.
The sad part is though,
Yep.
when this all ends, we have to go back to our normal lives.
God.
Damn.
When I
That
go back to
fall-
that school job,
That fall for grace is gonna be. You know how sick I'm
man.
gonna be that first time someone goes over and goes, "Hey, Desus, Bodega Boys, right? Yeah, send us fucking facts."
when we get arrested and shit, it's like, Officer Prosciutto, huh?
Officer Prosciutto?
Eh?
Vincent Pascalicchio? Yeah. Put out your own fucking fire now.
Fuck you, asshole.
Oh man. Hey, you guys. Hey, is that guy? You guys had a show, right? With the Charlemagne guy, right? Yeah, it's not on anymore,
Yeah,
huh?
fuck
Is that
outta
right?
here.
All right, spread your cheeks.
Yeah, how's that Moulian doing nowadays,
Yeah.
Fucking asshole.
Still bleaching? Yeah. All right.
Well, you look, I saw the guy last week. He looks like fucking Sammy Sosa out here. Hey, you hear that video?
You kill him.
Sammy fucking Sosa, huh?
Hey, you guys should have had him on Common Sense. You don't know. Your man over here, your man Vincent over here, he's pretty funny. Pretty fucking funny. He was killing it at the Rotary Club the other day.
Hey, I do what I can.
Listen, he's a good guy. His wife, though, Elizabeth, she's a whore.
Yeah, well, I mean.
One time she gave me a hand. He had a Giants game in the Meadowlands.
It is what it
I didn't
is.
want to say anything. He went to the bathroom, but you know what? One time I finger popped her. Okay, on the Camaro, right outside a Duran Duran concert, and listen, she had that mullet.
Yo, she had that mullet.
Yeah, her pussy smelled like Newports, but listen, I was with it. I was with the shits.
Shout out to all my Italian people that smoke Newports.
Shout out to all my Italian people out in Jersey.
Shout out to Italian people in Morris Park. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, wow. Shout out to Rylander Avenue, PS 83.
That's right.
That's where I went for elementary school. I was one of 4 black kids.
Huh?
There was a Chinese and Russian kid named Rodion, and he called us nigger. That was my first time being called nigger.
By a Chinese kid?
By a Chinese Russian kid.
A Chinese Russian kid?
Yes.
That must have been confusing as fuck.
We beat the shit out of that kid. Just stomping him. And then I remember the principal came over and was like, "What's going on? What's going on?" Like, we were like stomping on him like the logon Sepa Chichi man. And the principal was like, "What are you?" His name was Ronald Imundi. Shout out to you, asshole.
Hey.
And he was like, "What are you doing?" And I was like, I turned to him, I was like, he called us niggers. And his face turned white. He was like, "Okay, we'll go back inside." He didn't want no parts of that. So that's my first story with racism.
Yeah.
Casual racism.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah. First person called me nigger was this kid named Seamus.
Seamus.
How appropriate is that?
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? I had to punch that nigga right in his face, stab his brain with his nose bone. And then my mom came in and did her best Ricky Ricardo impression. It was beautiful. My mom came in and was like, "You fucking racist. You all racist. All of you." That's the first time I ever heard my mom say the word fuck.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? And she said it in a professional setting. Well, shout out to my mom. You know what I'm saying? Who's right now in DR milking this country dry.
Here's some weird shit. One of the most racist people I knew growing up was a Dominican.
Yeah?
Who was darker than me.
That's crazy.
And used to call me and my sister Chocolate.
Oh!
You fucking dark-haired, cab-driving, Aldo wearing, hookah bar managing Dominican.
Yo, that's such a fucking... Yo, shout out to all my racist Dominicans out there. You guys are fucking
Shout out to all my racist Dominicans. There's a Dominican beating the shit out of a Haitian right now that just paused like, "Yo, Mero says out."
Yo, Mero shout us out. And both of you niggas are purple.
Oh,
you know
man.
what I'm saying? So, I don't know.
You know what's sad? When we started this Bodega Boys podcast, we were like, "Yo, we're gonna change the world. We're
Yeah.
gonna end racism.
Yeah.
We're gonna do like Mike Huckabee said, and we're gonna like end Alzheimer's and cancer." We're doing none of that. We're
fuck
creating divisions.
Listen, I'm over here just trying to make as many biracial children as I can. That's the
Yes,
key to
sir.
the future. You know
And
what I'm
I
saying?
am not stopping him because I need that liver,
what I'm
dog.
saying? That's
I
real.
need that liver because I drink like a Jamaican wino.
Like a Jamaican
Hard
period.
worker. Like a Jamaican period, right? Had my first Guinness in 6 months.
Yeah. He just drives a forklift when he's not making fire comedy jokes. You know what I'm saying?
You know what? As a Jamaican, I don't find that funny. I would like a good forklift job. They usually come with benefits. And listen, I'm trying to build this compound
Yeah, let me tell you
in
something.
Wakefield for me and Rihanna. So
Let me tell you something about island people. Jamaicans, Dominicans, Haitians, fucking Trini people, everybody. A union job is like fucking
the city job.
a city union
A
job?
city job.
Oh my God. You made it.
I don't even think that's an island thing. That's just a people thing, man.
Oh man, you made it.
Listen, if you could get time and a half on a Saturday
Oh my God.
and weekends and overtime,
Ah,
you made it. You be a fat motherfucker and you still getting chicks.
so you crazy? Listen, man.
Shout out to all my women that only mess with blue collar guys and you got the pump fat coming over your heels.
That's right.
Because you're comfortable.
But you listen. But every 3 months, at Don Coquille fucking it up.
You fucking it up.
You know what I'm saying?
You spending that. What is that? You spending that flex money.
The
Flexible spending money.
Flex spending money.
Oh man.
Tearing CVS down.
Oh man.
what I'm saying?
I don't even need those sunglasses that change
Nah.
their lens in the sun, but I got them.
I've got them.
Okay? And now I'm going to do
What
a
does
two-step.
polarized even mean?
I'm doing a two-step to before I let go. Because I'm out here. We are out here, and this was episode 6.
Do the drop.
666. Do the drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
This was the devil episode. Brrr. So when you hear this, after this, kill your family.
That's right. Oh my god!
Just shoot 4 people.
Yo,
shoot
damn.
4 people.
This is such a heat check
This
episode
is a
right now.
dark
dog.
episode, dog. It's the 6th episode. Shout out to everyone who was gonna stick around for the 7th episode.
Yo, I appreciate.
If you don't, I completely understand.
listen,
But listen, we got some joints.
Come on, man.
We had good times. We had bad times.
don't be soft.
We had demonistic times.
Speaking of, we're just practicing vocals for our band White Genocide.
White Genocide.
You know what I'm saying? That we started.
Okay, we are a death metal band.
UAV.
We will be performing in December. We also have
At Rockefeller Center.
at Rockefeller Center
At the tree lighting.
White Genocide.
Shout out to hardcore bands. You know what I'm saying? Because niggas don't listen to a lot of different types of music. Shout out to hardcore bands for being mad loyal to each other. Every
Yes.
hardcore band is all about loyalty and brotherhood. Every
is.
song is called loyalty and brotherhood. Brotherhood, loyalty. We're loyal to each other.
Wait till I get this fucking Aryan loyalty tattoo on my forehead. I'm a front man for White Genocide. White Genocide! Episode 6.
That's right, episode 6. We
Bodega
out here.
Boys. It's Desus Nice, a.k.a. 1994, a.k.a. Nelson Bandela. Coming to you live from Red Bull Studios at 220 West 18th Street. Follow them on Red Bull Studios that's Red Bull Studios NY. That's the Instagram. I was about to give you guys the Wi-Fi password.
Yeah, no, don't do that.
And this is the kid Mero.
That's right, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. in the Lex watching Kathleen and Regis. You know what I'm saying? This has been episode 6. We love you guys. You know what I'm saying? We'll be back.
Someone said my kiss at the last episode was homo. It might be.
Listen.
It might be. Maybe it wasn't for you. Maybe it's for the chicks.
Maybe it's for the girls. Maybe
for
you
the
need to
girls.
just stop reaching.
Maybe it was for the guys that are
with
into
your
that kind of thing.
homophobia.
The homophobia is whack.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay? That shit's cool. Not cool. That shit is uncool.
This is uncool.
Uncool. All right? Make sure you follow us, Bodega Boys, on Twitter so you know
right.
when the next episode is. We're going to leave this open-ended like the ending of Inception. You don't know if the top falls or not. So keep checking to see when the next episode is. Maybe we pop another one up on you. But you got your 2 episodes this week.
That's right.
Stop complaining, Sharon.
Be happy.
Okay? Shout out to all my exes who are like, wow, you could do 2 episodes in 1 week,
Oh.
but you can't commit. Whatever. It's lit. We out.